So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a side menu on Wix website. So let's jump right in this video. So here we're going to have to go to add elements here. And here we have, so we can use a menu and interactive. So we have here in very interesting interactives we can use. This one looks good. And here it's adding now to our website, this one here. So I can remove this, what we have here, just select and press delete. You can also right click and select delete. And now here we can actually resize this. I'll like it to be like this. I'm gonna click on design and then I'll change the color to this one. Doesn't look the best, but it's okay for now. Now we can also change the layout here. Where is the position? Like left, prefer right. You can also go left. And then here, what is cool, you can click on add elements here. You can click on here menu. We have a menu. We can grab now this one and move it here. We also have so many to choose from, but for this one, because it's vertical, we're gonna go with this one. Now I'm gonna resize this. You can go to design. We also have layout here. I'm gonna move this in the middle, and then here in manage, you can see your lightbox from here. By the way, you can check this, subscribe. You can actually rewrite this and write and type here our lightbox / menu side menu subscribe. And now here, what we can do here, now here we're gonna click on design, and here we can design. Here we have so many other two we can choose from. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, but we can also start from scratch and design this ourselves. We have here also, we have some hover, some you know, can choose from this one of this, but I'm gonna click on here. We have regular and hover, but I'm gonna cover that in a minute. So we have here fill color. We have the backgrounds, can decrease the background if we want, sub menu item, and the opacity, we can decrease the opacity from here. And shadow, we already have some shadow. We can increase the shadow here. You can see the shadow. Move the camera here, and I'll decrease the opacity here. We can decrease the opacity of the shadow. We have the text now, so we can increase this font, which we do need. Also increase, I will change the font, so change this one. Okay. You also have here a few options. We can also resize this. And now here, also spacing, can change that as well. Now on hover, turns black, which doesn't look that good. And now here I would like to change this black color. So I'll click on, I'll select click here. So when you select, the home page, let's say, it's gonna change the color to this black. So don't really like this one, so you can change this one to different color. Let's say this one. And people hover, you can also add change a couple of stuff here. And now let's test. But before doing that, let's actually go back to our home page. Now here I'll just go to add elements, and then here we have social, and also we have here button, and then here we have different icons that we can choose from, and also a lot of icons, very cool and very helpful, right? Now we can have items to choose from. So I can grab this one, let's say, and then I can click on link here, and then here we can choose Lightbox here, and then I'm gonna select this one we just created. And now I'll click on publish and actually click on preview. So let's see what we created. So if I click on here, it's gonna open our sidebar here. Also, when you actually work on to select the lightbox again, just click on here, page and lightboxes. So you can also click on this background, right? And then here we have settings, and just decrease the opacity here so it actually shows this, because if it shows that background, that blue, it just looks ugly in my opinion. So yeah, we're gonna have to go back here, preview, and let's see if it works now. I click on here, is just this sidebar. Now I know sidebar looks super ugly. I don't like it at all. But yeah, so I don't make this video too long. Yeah, so I didn't take my time to really customize it, so it looks more pretty. Yeah, let's use this sign. But another thing that I would like to show you here is on home. We have this, okay, but let's check how it looks on mobile. So I'll click on mobile here, and then here, this is the button I've added, and this is the other one. I would like to add this one. Actually, you can, don't have to delete. You just can click on here to hide, and you can see here all the hidden elements on mobile. Now here, if you preview this is what's gonna happen. We're gonna click on it, and it's gonna look very bad. So instead of doing that, instead of just customizing this, you actually use this one instead of the one we created for desktop. Okay, and of course just hide this. And now preview, and this is what we have. We have a different menu here. But of course, you can just side menu. This is how it looks. This one right over here. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you have more questions, let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and take care.